Hello and welcome to this video. We are looking at the proportional tax model. We want to understand what it is and how it impacts taxpayers across the board. So let's take a closer look. The proportional tax model is a flat or fixed tax, right? The tax is a flat or fixed tax. And let's pause here for a minute and take a closer look at this. That means it is stable. It is stable. It is stagnant. Right? Some people will say it is stagnant. It's the same thing. So it is a stable tax that applies to all evenly, regardless of income, right? So income doesn't have an impact on this type of taxation. That means it is independent. Let's put that here. It is independent of income, right? So income does not have anything to do with it. It does not influence the type of tax, the amount of, the percentage of tax you pay. So, for example, the person who makes $50,000 and the person who makes $100,000 and the person who makes $150,000 all pay the same percentage. Varying amounts, obviously, but the same percentage of tax. Let's say 10% as an example, right? So they all pay 10%. Now, even though they're all paying 10%, it has different impact depending on the amount you make. The lower income earner feels it more. It has more impact on the lower income earner than it does on the higher income earner, because this guy pays 5K, but 5K means quite a bit to somebody making $50,000 than 10K, meaning to somebody that makes $100,000 than 15K has less impact on somebody making $150,000, all things being equal. And that is the interesting aspect of this type of taxation, the proportional tax model. In this model, the tax does not increase as income goes up, right? In some taxes, in some tax model, it does increase, like the progressive tax model, it does increase. And it doesn't decrease either as income goes down. So it doesn't take into account your circumstances, right? It does not take into account your circumstances. It's a flat rate. It's a fixed flat rate, and it's stable, does not change when income goes up. So here we have income, right? So we have income here, and we have the tax here. As income goes up, this is 10%. Income goes up, it remains at 10%, right? Income goes down, it remains at 10%. If you have 50,000 K, it's 10%. 100,000 K is 10%. Does not go up. Now, some people say this is not fair, and some people say this is fair, right? Some people say everybody paying the same percentage is fair, and some people say, well, if you make more money, you should be paying more taxes. But this is the proportional tax model, and it's a very interesting tax structure that a lot of countries use today.